Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today's subject Vivo Y51 a convert to global with Google Play, Arabic, Turkey, Farish, all language 100% tested. Now we see the hang logo, auto on off, others problem solved, just is flashing now, any problem, email and WhatsApps are now. Next, Techno Li6 flash file. This model problem, hang logo, dead mode, auto on off, DM verify fail, camera fault, others problem this solve, the my file download, and email and WhatsApps are now but failed file. This file 100% working, I am promised. Next, Redmi Note 5, Redmi Note 5 Pro. Why did unlocked bootloader file? 100% tested. The file is 100% working. Okay. Any problem, any downloading problem and password problem, email and WhatsApp 24 hours service, but failed file not free. Okay. Next, okay, wait, this problem. Redmi K70E POCO X6 Pro 5G BL lock imei repair 100% tested. Now see this model and version and check the download, others your problem solve, and email and WhatsApp 24 hour service. My all GSM friend, my request is my new channel. At first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share, but failed file the only for balance the transfer $5 the easy. No problem. Okay, 24 hour service, WhatsApp and email charge not 24 hour service. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just comment box link. Comment box the no link, emergency and blower anywhere this browser open. The browser open now is Google. This right now Borsha mobile. This Borsha mobile, one click, please wait. Now see one click, the blower site open and one click, just any model, any, all GSM friend, no confused, just any model that has now. If model Y51A, just magic system, just mean wait, one click, finish the download, one click, any file you need, search blogger search now, automatic the magic system already ready. Okay, this one click system and the download, email and WhatsApps are now 24 hours service, but paid file not free. Okay, good night my all GSM friend. I am ready, man for man, and help 24 hour service, email and WhatsApps are now. Any problem, any solution, just WhatsApps are now. Goodbye.